Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Newmen GM610 Wireless Keyboard and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a reset for a couple of reasons. One might be troubleshooting. If the keyboard is not connecting to your device, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's not responding or lagging, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. Another thing is, if you want to set this up on a new device, it can be a good idea just to do a hard reset to clear all of the former data out of it, and then you can set it up anew with a new device. And it's real simple to do. Just keeping in mind, once you do this, you will have to set it up again on whatever device you want. But all we need to do is come in here and press the function button plus the right shift button simultaneously. You press and hold them for about a second simultaneously. That will do a hard reset on this keyboard to its factory default settings. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching.